What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kevlar82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, we're back at the Bat Cave, man. As you can see in the background, we got my homie JT Veloster, and put his Instagram down below. Yeah, today we're gonna clean up the Batmobile because my good friend right here has a car wash detail service that he's starting up, man. That's right. So you all know that he's been supporting me with all the drone footage and the rolling shots for some of the videos for the build breakdowns and those awesome drone shots at the KTM Driven meet, dude. Oh man, so you know when he announced that he's trying to start a little something, you know, and he's been working on cars for a minute as far as like cleaning and detailing, so he has a little bit of experience. So yeah, we're gonna let him clean up the Batmobile nice and good, clean and polish it. So that's what this video is gonna be. It's just gonna be him basically washing the car, getting it clean first. He's getting set up in the background, like you see right there, and then we're gonna give it a good polish or whatever and see how it comes out, dude, because this car definitely needs some TLC. I wash it, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not the best at it. I'm a little impatient or whatever, so yeah, but I'm gonna work on my skills. But for now, we're gonna have him bless us with some of his skills and everything like that. So make sure you follow him on Instagram and hit him up in the DMs for more information about pricing, dude. If you're out here in Southern California, IE and everything like that, make sure you hit him up, man. Show him some support because he supports us out here. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video and get started. So obviously the first thing I want to get started with is a nice wash to get it nice and clean first, and it needs it really bad. This is literally just 1 week. Like, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. Ooh, that paint is so beautiful though. I love the paint on it. But yeah, this is just basically 1 week. It hasn't been 2 weeks. It's only been 1 week since I washed it. I pretty much wash it every weekend. I don't have the time. I could wash it twice a week, but I don't really see the meaning in and why I should wash it like more than once a week, because I only go out on the weekends. You know, I work my day job, come home, edit videos for you guys. That's pretty much it, dude. I spend the rest of the week just like editing videos and stuff like that during the week. But yeah, it's a little dirty. So yeah, we're gonna take care of that first and then move on to the next step. So yeah, right now he's getting rid of any standing water. I know it's in the sunlight. I know a lot of the water's dry. We're not worried about the water spots because we're actually gonna clay bar it and we're going to polish it in the shade. So yeah, just get rid of the water that's on the car right now. So yeah, and then we'll move on to the next step. We're gonna pull the car into the garage, and man, my front bumper definitely needs a clay bar. So you're gonna see how that turns out.
Yeah, so we're gonna polish it, wax it, we're gonna seal all the glass, and then the wheels, we're gonna go over with detail spray, just get them shined up, and then the tires, we're gonna shine those with an aerosol tire shine, and those things are gonna look brand new for at least a couple weeks.
Can you show us what it looks like?
Yeah. Out of all the brands, this is probably my favorite. It's Grit's Garage.
Oh, actually, let me move it to the light. Oh, there we go. So you can actually see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Do this stuff.
So what kind of solution is that?
So I usually use detail spray, but This stuff, I wrote it on the bottle. It's just clay luber.
Okay.
It comes in a normal chemical guide bottle normally, but I bought a gallon of it so I could throw it in this bottle.
Okay.
But yeah, it's just, they just call it clay luber with the clay bars.
Okay. All right, so here's the setup right here. I'll show you guys what he's using. And he's already getting started.
All right, so today on Kevin's car, we use V36. It's a cutting compound. After that, we use a V38. It's a polishing compound. And then the last step, we use a butter wet wax. Glass, I use the glass cleaner. For any plastics, rubbers, anything that needs to be shined up or get a more natural look, we use VRP. It's a vinyl rubber and plastic protectant. And then last but not least, we use the black shine from Grit's Garage for the tire shine. It gives a really wet, deep look. And after about a week, they look like brand new tires.
All right, you guys, the car's all done. Man, I'm looking at it right now. Oh my God, this paint is just like wet. Like I've never seen the paint in this condition since I had the car. Man, this is long overdue. I'm glad I did it. But I'm not gonna keep you guys in suspense for too long. So let's check out the reveal, man, and see how this car looks right now, man. Let's go.
Perfect. Perfect.
All right, you guys, so here it is, man. Let's get a close-up of this beauty right here. Oh my goodness, a lot better than before. Look at that mirror finish. Oh man, I love it. Look at that. You see myself in the reflection. Ooh-wee. Yeah, definitely gonna let wifey bless the car with a photo shoot tomorrow and be doing, get some fresh photos of the car or whatever. So man, whew, it was a long process, but it was worth it. Like he said, the tire shine, they still look wet or whatever. But yeah, definitely hit them up. You want to get your car hooked up, looking good, looking right. This process took a while, dude. When did we started at like 8:30 ish?
So
what time is it now?
6.5 hours. Took a minute.
Yeah, we took a lot of breaks. It was hot and we were just chilling and talking a little bit. I told him there was no rush. I had my schedule cleared. Yeah, so I was good. But obviously it's not gonna take that long for everybody, so don't get all scared. You be like, oh, I don't have time. But you know, you can always talk to him about that and everything like that. So hit him up, man. He'll hook you up, dude. Looking real good, real good. This vlog was not that long, but I recorded some of the process, but not a whole lot of it because I didn't want to, you know, have you guys stuck looking at stuff that, you know what I mean. But yeah, that's gonna be it, man. We'll wrap it up. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, man. It was a long process, but it was well worth it. The Batmobile needed some TLC really bad, really bad, man. I've been really busy trying to edit and shoot videos for you guys, so a lot of times the process that I do on detailing or whatever, I really don't have time for, so I'm able to do like quick washes and do the best I can do for the time constraints that I have. So JT just came through for me real good, real awesome. I'm gonna put it down below. Make sure you check out his Instagram for his detailing and his regular Instagram. Make sure you give him a follow. Awesome dude, always a good time. But yeah, that's it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here and get back to putting out awesome content for you guys. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Just remember that if you hit that like button, it helps out the algorithm. We're really trying to grow the channel right now. We're at 2,500 subs. We're trying to get to 3 grand, then we can get to 5 grand, 10 grand, 15, and so and so. So make sure you continue to support the channel. Watch all the videos. Tell your friends about it. Tell your mom, your dad, your cousin, everybody. Tell them about your boy Kevin Smiley and his awesome channel he has. And that's gonna be it. Just remember, as I say at the end of all of my videos, always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kev Already 2 TV. Peace.